People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel once again, people. Big up in yourself. So yo people, this is news coming out of Trinidad where a Jamaican jerk chicken man, or jerk chicken vendor, was killed in Trinidad, people. So his story says a Clarendon man residing in Trinidad and Tobago died in hospital on Tuesday after he was shot by a lone gunman in that country on Sunday. The deceased has been identified as 46-year-old Neil Johnson. Reports are that about 11:45 p.m., the Jamaican man was by his jerk chicken cart along the Brian Lara Promenade in Port of Spain when an armed man walked up to him. The man then opened fire, hitting Johnson. Persons in the vicinity of the popular location alerted police personnel who were close by, and the alleged attacker was nabbed as he tried to escape in the area. Meanwhile, Johnson was assisted to hospital for treatment but succumbed to his injuries on Tuesday night. A motive for the shooting has not been disclosed. Johnson, who was originally from Maypen in Clarendon, has reportedly been residing in Trinidad for some 14 years, according to media reports. In the meantime, the suspect is to be questioned by police investigators. You know, people, it's just sad that you're out there hustling and try earn your honest living, and this is the result. You see me as a people, as me tell people all the while, it no matter where you come from and where you go, you could be attacked or could be a victim of violence any part of the earth. You see me? As long as you are walking and breathing, you never know what can happen. As me said, it's just sad that this guy had to lose his life out there hustling and doing jerk chicken. And as we say, people, we don't know what the situation is, why this man decided to kill this man. Nobody knows until that person can talk. You see me? And as we say, people, once I get more information on this, I will let you guys know the full story behind all of this. You see me, people? Yeah, so the story and everything kind of sketchy and not enough information is given. So if I get more information, I will let you guys know. Okay, bless up.